Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, how are you? My name is Stephanie, and for today's video, I am going to be unboxing Planything's new Amsterdam collection, and this collection does release tomorrow, February 2nd at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. All of the information will be linked down below, along with my affiliate link, and make sure that you guys check out Amber from Planything on Instagram and here on YouTube as well. So everything will be linked down below, so make sure that you guys check it out. So let's go ahead and open this up. I am super excited. Everything that she has sneak peeked so far is amazing. Okay, so the first thing that I see here is this cute little postcard. Look at how cute this is. That is Amber from Planything, in case you didn't already know who she was. And it says, "Thank you for ordering from the Netherlands." And it has all of her information back here, where to find her. And let's see, it says, in 2023, I will be sharing my favorite places from the Netherlands with postcards as thank you cards. So isn't that so special? This is just going to be amazing. She is venturing out and actually doing her own illustrations moving forward. So I'm super excited for her. So let's go ahead and get these items out. Wow, look at how many washi tapes are in this collection. Okay, so let's actually put these off to the side, and hopefully, not hopefully, but I will swatch them in a little bit. That way I'm not fussing too much on camera. So I think the first thing that I want to do is probably get into the sticker book, because that is definitely what we are all here for. So let's open her up. And like I said, moving forward, all of the illustrations are hand-drawn by Amber. And you're going to know that because it's going to say it right on the item. So it says, artwork drawn by Amber. So this one is the seasonal houses and trees in Amsterdam. We get 530 stickers, and it does have 30 sticker sheets. So I just am so excited for her that she is venturing out and doing her own illustrations now. So look at how beautiful this is. Wow. And this is actually on transparent matte paper, because if you've ordered from Planything, you know that she did like a true clear sticker before. And so these are actually transparent matte. So we have like a little scene, and then we have trees and buildings and benches and lampposts. And look at these clouds. Those are so cute. Wow, these are really pretty. And then we get some more little clusters here from the trees and the buildings as well. And then we get 2 pages. Oh, and then we do get some boxes as well. So that's always great. Boxes are just amazing, as well as like the deco stickers. Okay, so then we get into like the winter scene. So this was actually like a fall scene. And then we get the winter. So we get like ice skating, and then the trees are bare now, wreaths and lampposts, and everything is just really beautiful. And then we get like the snowman sledding. These are just gorgeous. Look at this. I am obsessed with this. Wow, that looks really pretty. So 2 pages of those, and then we get colorful boxes here, 2 pages of those as well. And then we are going to get into spring. So look at the trees now, the flowers, the grass. Wow, I love that bicycle. It is really pretty. So now the lamppost doesn't have a wreath anymore. And then look at this. Yeah, this is really pretty. I am just super proud of Amber, and that she is now doing her own illustrations. She is the sweetest. I think I've mentioned it before. I actually met Amber during Go Wild, and she is just the sweetest, the most kindest person you will ever meet. And yeah, I am just so happy for her. So then we got like a little boat here, bicycles, like a cheese shop, and then the ice cream cart. These are super adorable. Look at the trees and the green. Yeah, the green really, really pops. So yeah, I actually love that these are transparent matte. And look at these beautiful like pastel colors. They're really, really pretty. And then we get more houses back here. I love this long strip. And actually, now that I see these, I am looking at her postcard and look at all of those houses and buildings like lined up. Wow, that is amazing. So she took like these images and what she saw during her trip to Amsterdam, and she created those ones. Wow, that is amazing. I was already blown away, and now I am just speechless, completely speechless. Okay, so that is the whole sticker book. I love it. I'm obsessed with it. So let's go ahead and put this one off to the side, and we do get a sticky note. You can never have too many sticky notes. I have them all over the house because you just never know when you need to jot down something really quick. So I have sticky notes all over the place. So I'm happy to add this cute little one to my collection. Okay, so then it looks like we get notepads. Wow. Okay, so these are going to be seasonal as well. Okay, so we have like the spring seasonal notepad here. It does have lines and they are double-sided. Yeah, so let me go ahead and rip it so we can see the back. So here is the back. I love that it's lined. You guys know that I need my lines, so this is going to be perfect. So yeah, this is going to be the spring notepad, and then we have like the summery one, and it has the canal and then the buildings, and that is super cute. Look at this, the clouds and the sky, and this one is not lined, and I love that we get like illustrations and a place to jot down as well. And then let's look at the back. Okay, so here is the back. We still get the clouds and the sky, and then we get this cute little scene here. So this one is not lined. And then we get into the fall one. Oh, this is beautiful. I love the sky here, which is cloudy. I love that. It's a great color, and the browns and oranges really pop from like the trees. Yeah, this is really pretty. And of course, I love that it has lines. So the back are some trees. This is really, really pretty. I love the amount of space that we get. Wow, this is beautiful. And then here is the winter one. How stinking cute is this? I love the snow falling back here, and then the snow on the buildings and the snowman, and they're sledding. This is so beautiful. Wow, these look so pretty. Like on a desk. Like I can already picture me swapping these out as the seasons go by and just have something pretty to look at. And then here is the back. This is gorgeous. I think the winter one is actually my favorite. They're all so beautiful, but this one, I don't know what it is about this one. This is just stunning. Wow, I am super, super impressed. Okay, so then we get, I believe this is like cardstock. Okay, so here we have the fall scene going on here, and I love these. You can make like covers or dividers, or I don't know, just anything that you would like. Dashboards, just anything. These are great for that. So here's the back, a pattern going on here. Yeah, this is beautiful. And then look at this. She actually sneak peeked this one on Instagram, and I fell in love with it. Look at how beautiful this is. I actually see myself framing this and just having it off to the side on my desk. So that's another way that you guys can use this as well, because this is absolutely gorgeous. Everything about it. Like I cannot stop looking at it. It is so pretty. I love everything about this. yeah, I think I'm gonna frame this one and actually put it on the side of my desk. So here is the back. We have the snowman, sledding, ice skating, the trees, the snow falling, very, very pretty. Here is the spring one, again with the purple trees and the green trees. We have the bicycles, like the plants down maybe. And then we have the repeat design back here. And then we have the summer one. So the canal down here, the buildings up here. Yeah, this one is so pretty as well. Wow, I might have to frame all of these. I don't think I can just like use them and cut them or do anything. But yeah, these are gonna be really gorgeous just framed. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. I cannot say that enough. Okay, so now let's go ahead and actually like swatch these washi tapes. So I think I'm gonna grab one of these. Okay, so I think I'm gonna use the back of this one so I can swatch all of them, but I'm actually gonna do that off camera so I'm not fussing too much. And then once everything is swatched, I'll go ahead and come right back. Okay, so here are all the washi tapes out of the package, and look at how pretty they look together. And there's even grid washi. Like, I hadn't realized that, but it has grid washi, and you guys know that I'm completely obsessed with grid washi tape. So here they are all together, and then here is how they look swatched. Everything just coordinates so well. It matches some of the stickers, and they're so pretty. So here we have the trees in the purple and the green, and then we have buildings here. We have the bicycles, we have the fall trees, then we have like a little fall scene here with the snowman, the snow falling, ice skating, and then sledding. And then here are all of the grid washi tapes. They are so pretty. I cannot wait to start using all of these items. So stay tuned for tomorrow's video, which is going to be a plan with me in my Go Get a Girl planner. Everything is just so beautiful. I am in love with all of the notepads. They are amazing. I love these little cardstock, and they are just so pretty, right? Like, I am completely obsessed with them. I really cannot wait to frame these because they are just that beautiful. And here is the sticky note, and here is the sticker book. So like I said, everything will be linked down in the description box below. Make sure that you guys check that out. Again, this collection does release tomorrow, February 2nd at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. My affiliate link will be linked down in the description box below in case you guys are interested in shopping through that. And as always, I appreciate when you guys use any of my codes, any of my links. Thank you so much. And remember to check out Planything here on YouTube and on Instagram as well. But for now, I am really loving everything that is included in this Amsterdam collection. So if you like this video, please consider subscribing, and don't forget to check me over on Instagram at Stephanie Happily Plants. And I'll see you next time.